Today I'm making some chickweed pesto out of the chickweed that I cleaned out of my raised bed. So we've got about 2 cups of chickweed here and about a half a cup of Parmesan, a little bit of salt and pepper, just whatever you like. I've got about 1/4 a teaspoon of salt and some pepper there. Got about 1/3 a cup of hemp seed, half a cup of olive oil, a couple teaspoons of garlic, minced garlic there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the pesto goes into a food processor. So, you know, you kind of put that down in there and spread it out. And then you can put your garlic in there. These are my little pottery things that I made in my pottery class. I'm pretty excited about that. We'll put in our hemp seed. You can use pine nuts, but they're kind of pricey, and hemp seed works nicely. I just buy it in bulk at Costco. Put in your Parmesan. And then you'll drizzle the olive oil as it goes, but I'm just going to put a tiny bit right here to start, and then I will drizzle it in through the top as I use the food processor. But I'm going to go ahead and blend this up, and I will be back with the finished product. So here's my chickweed hemp heart pesto, and I'm going to eat it with some fresh peas I just picked from the garden this morning. These are early sweet peas, really tasty. So we're going to combine the two, and it's going to be delicious. Give it a try, chickweed hemp heart pesto.